Hello. Hi. Why does it look like that? Why is it that red color?
It'll probably change.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
There's the bad angle. There we go.
Okay.
Do the bouncy thingy.
Okay.
Hold on. Here, I have to promise you're not going to use this against me.
I won't.
I can't even do it. I don't think we can do it with the camera bouncing up and down.
You gotta
Set it up somewhere.
You got the kicks. Oh yes.
I got a kickstand.
She got a kickstand.
Oh, trees in the way.
Oh shit. This isn't working out so well.
We didn't think this out. The kickstand.
Come bring it this way.
More. Okay, bring the bear.
Pause. It's time to bring the bear.
Where are we bringing the bear to?
Oh, closer so you can put the.
What?
So you can put the
Like camera. There you go.
Hello.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's broken. Whoa. There you go. And then you can lay it up.
Shit. Okay.
Damn you, bear.
That's good. That's good.
High five.
Do it.
I can't do it.
Can I pause it now?
Yeah.